The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good Friday morning, guys. Here we are, the end of another week. Good morning, Albert, Anthony, Dennis, James, Jeff, Sally. Guys, good morning. Trial members, good morning. Guys, today is Friday, December 16th. Stuart, good morning. Robert, as well. For those of you guys that were in member Skype this morning, we finally got first target on ES. Good morning, Michael. We finally got target on ES, at least first target, 95. Final target on the ES, guys, is 39.05 if anybody is still holding. Good morning, Mark. Ozzy, good morning. Guys, good morning. Trial members, good morning and welcome back to your last day in the room. We've had a very good week. We'll keep it up hopefully today. I do expect some volatility, guys. Today is big option expiration day. I expect there will be some movement as options are either rolled out or see what we get today. In any event, I'll do what I do every day. First thing, bot trades. ES, one long trade, although it got actually all three targets. I'm up 187.50 on the bot. First target only trade for me, I think. Crude has not taken a trade yet. No trades in crude. NASDAQ bot is up a whopping $5. YM bot is up 600. And the natural gas bot is up 380. So we're green across the board. My goal today for the bots, I'd like to get NASDAQ, up around $500. And I will start shutting them off, guys. I have not rolled CL, but let me just take a look real quick. Yeah, we probably are going to have to roll CL. 13,000 if traded in January. Morning, Deepak. Yeah, you want to roll to February on crude. If you guys have not done so, roll to February on crude. Okay, that's done. Bear with me, guys. I'm rolling my crude charts. One more, and I'm good. Okay, and do. All right. I am done. Okay, Stuart. So bots are up, guys. I will be looking to shut them off early. It is Friday. For those of you folks that are here on trial, I'll reiterate what I said yesterday. A couple of things. One, I will not be sending out any further emails. I have sent out my last daily update to y'all. I sent out a follow-up email to you folks as well yesterday, reiterating that would be the last email. I know somebody asked me if I had any intentions of a discount, like a holiday discount. I do not. I do not. If anybody that's here on trial has any interest, I will go over membership options maybe about 10:30, 10:45. Yeah, exactly. Well, let's be honest. Yeah, I was going to say, let's be honest. All on natural gas, huh, Paul? Nice. If there's another room with complete candor that does what we do here, I've never seen it. And I've been doing this for 11 years. I've never seen it. So, in any event, let's read the disclaimer. Yeah. Thank you, James. Appreciate that, man. I got to find it. Bear with me, guys. Uno momento, por favor. James, you'll get a kick out of this. Anybody that's a car guy. Last night we had our neighborhood Christmas party. And one of my neighbors just bought the Rolls-Royce SUV. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. There's a puke. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys. Natural gas gets some targets here, fellas. It'll be done for the day. Morning, Dean. NASDAQ just flat. Natural gas should push to 13. Should get that first target. I don't think it gets second. Maybe it can come to 01 if it gets below 13. All right, target 1 filled. Natural gas bot will be done. There's 13. See where it stopped? Right at 13. If that breaks, it's going to get 01. It's right on the target. It literally, there it is. Target 2 filled. Come on, get that last target. Bot's done for the day, guys. Your daily goal is done. See you on Monday, Ray. Have a good weekend, brother. NASDAQ just flat. All right. Natural gas spot up 740 on the day. That's it for the day, fellas. I have 2 bots now done for the day. YM is up 600, although this would have been a winning trade, up 600. Natural gas up 740. These 2 are done. Guys, we don't have any 8:30 news. We're just kind of hanging out at 400 here. NASDAQ looks like it's going to short. Morning, Johan. We get a break below that 90. I think she's done. ES is going to have to hold this 85 support, or else we could push back into the lows and just below at 65, 60 to 65. It's trying to break the support at 85. If it does, the probabilities are we trade 71 and then 65. If this gets targets, this bot will be done for the day. The only bots that will be on are NASDAQ and crude. Gold just shorted. Yeah, gold's a short. Gold was a short at 94.4. If you guys want to try a gold short, you're about 3 ticks late. You can try a gold short. Stop is 96.5. Stop is 96.5. It's going to have to come down through that little swing at 93.1. I'll be right back, guys. I'm back, fellas. Boy, natural gas getting a little jiggy. All right, Williams is done speaking. Gold bounced. ES sitting on support at 85. This can go either way here, ES. This can bounce back to 90. Natural gas just took off like a rocket off the bottom. Let me look at crude. ES, if it gets above 91, I think you can take it long. But it's got to get above 91. I had no idea, Francisco. Is there a sale on Apex? Does anybody know? Is Apex having a current sale? 80% off. Thank you, fellas. And what is the code? Is it save 80? Yes. Francisco, you save 80. Albert. Or win 80. Up to 20 accounts you can buy. Through Tuesday. And a one-time PA fee as well. If anybody would like to buy any Apex accounts, anybody long natural gas, target 1 is hit. Target 1 is hit on natural gas, hit and filled. Now it's a free trade. I'm going to try to get this to 64.90. 64.90. There's natural gas trade. Nice job, Greg. Here we go, baby. We're going to have resistance at 68, maybe 69, 67, that area. Anybody have a runner on natural gas? Okay, Doug. Okay, John. All right, fellas. Bunch you. There's 84. Come on, rat bag. Come on, seriously? Like 2 ticks. Literally 2 ticks. Missed by 2 ticks here. If you guys want your money, if you guys want to take your risk off, take it off. Done. Close enough for hand grenades. I'm not going to you stand to lose more than you get now. You're fighting for 2 ticks. You could get back 30. All right, target 1 filled. Both targets filled. NASDAQ up 640. Nice job, Hubert. Made $900. Nice job. NASDAQ bot done. So 3 out of the 5 bots are finito for the week. Waiting on crude, waiting on ES. ES looks like it's back. It's holding 85. Think you can take a 91 long if you like it. CL looks like she's got. Where are you short, Greg? 97? 93. If you get down below 73.90, it's going to come pretty hard. Is what it looks like. 73.90. Anybody have any questions before I take my breakfast break? Greg, this thing can come 72.65 pretty quick. Into the open of what? I'm not sure the question, Robert. I'm not in crude. I'm not short crude. I have no trade in crude. All right, fellas. It's about 9 o'clock. I'm shutting my bots off until I come back. If anybody has any questions, ask now before I go eat breakfast. Anything, guys? I mean, it's like anything else, Robert. I see what I see, and I see support and resistance, and I don't care about volatility. Actually, I prefer volatility. These dead markets are enough to make you want to pull your teeth out. Still was a good pre-market if you traded natural gas. Again, I know a lot of you guys won't. Thank you, Sam. All right, guys. I'll be right back. And target 2 is 130 and 330 seconds. Anybody take that short? I did not. What in the hell is going on here? We're off, guys. Well, they started this crap early. We should trade to 905, I would think, on the ES. Let's see what we get. But that's back testing that breakdown area. Nice, Greg. Nice. Crude getting a bid. I cannot turn on my crude bot. My ES bot is on. The only two bots I'll be running for the rest of the morning is ES and CL. The other three have all eclipsed $500 individually. They are off for Friday. And I can't even turn CL on. Love me, Ninja. There's 3,900. Here comes 30. Should get 3,905, guys. Disregard my charts on the screen. SPX, big gap down. There's 01. Come on, give me 05. 5 to 10. If we break out above 10, this could be a major short squeeze. We are at 3,900, give or take. Oh, okay. BG, I assume you mean NG. Natural gas is along here, 28, 29. All right, we got 05. That was the target we were shooting for earlier in Skype. NASDAQ, I'm sorry, ES looks like it can trade 39.30. 39.30. If this thing gets above 10, it's going to rip. 22 is big red. I think we will get there. Let's see if we can get us a pullback. Half my charts are frozen. We're at 47. All right, that's accurate. And 0475. That's accurate. We're pushing up through that resistance zone where we broke down from yesterday. If it gets above 10, yes, it's gonna shoot. NASDAQ traded up to yesterday's close, went flat on the day and is retracing. Got a NASDAQ short, NASDAQ short, NASDAQ short. NASDAQ short and target number one, let's call it 20. 20. Stop is going to be, man, this sucks. 44. Looks like it's going to hit stop. It hit stop. Apple 139. Okay. Now we come down. Yes, I belong above 39.10. Still think this son of a gun is going to retrace in here. Inside candle on a small time frame. Small sellers, small net buyers. Chopping right now. Look at this mess. Seriously, garbage. Crude still coming down. ES hanging out. NASDAQ floating. Inside candle on a 2-minute bar. Just stupid ugly. Small positive delta of 13 contracts. I almost think it's got to come back. $410 would be next target on NASDAQ. $410. Got to come down here through 24, $410. Small-ish sellers. Come on, break down for God's sake. Come on, 4, 4, 10, 11, and then 98. Come on. It's not going to affect us, Michael. Maybe. I'm looking at Delta. It's small buyers, small sellers. Hang on, guys, 1 second. All right, 410 target hit, fellas. 410 target hit. Next target down is 400. 400. I'd like to see SPX retrace to about 38.80 to get puts. Natural gas is right at this breakout. If it breaks up again, it's going. Now you're trying to get along with a first target, maybe at 29. Natural gas entry is 28. We're wedged between yesterday's low and yesterday's close. With 80 net sellers on the day. I mean, you could probably buy it at 404, 405. That's yesterday's low. ES just dinking around, doing nothing. Opening range is really small. Next level down is 400 on the NASDAQ. 404 is yesterday's low. And we have 85 net sellers. All right. ES now long on the bot. I can't, there we go. Target hit. Doop-de-doo, doop-de-doo. All right, we're getting a small retracement in SPX. I want to see SPX up near at least 80, ideally 83 to 85 on the SPX to roll over. Should be a miss, guys. We should be anything less than 50. It's in contraction. It should be below 50. 44.6. It's a miss. Told you it's a miss. The economy is in contraction, is what this is telling you. I can't get this thing off my damn screen. Let it slow down, guys, and disregard this. Disregard this. 31. Yeah, I guess it's about right. I'm looking at TradeStation. 45. No. 42, 37. ES is hanging out at 901. God dang it, Ninja. Come on, man. All I have right now, guys, is basically chop in a small range. 34 is sloping down. You've got a short coming up on the NASDAQ. I can't move my DOM again. You can short NASDAQ at 28 is what it looks like. 28 short. We have net buyers now in the NASDAQ of 500, but 579 came in on the last 3-minute bar. We are wedged below yesterday's close. NASDAQ's down 23, ES off 26, YM off 245. So they've gotten a bunch back. Looking at this on a 10-minute, we're longs. On a 10-minute and an hour. On a 10-minute and an hour, you're longs on the 10-minute and the hourly. You can take a 40, anywhere in here. You're just going to have to live with the trade. But I don't have a reason to be short as other than a trade. So on the small time frames, 28's you're short. But again, it's a scalp below here. The trade is long. Natural gas is going if anybody's interested or in it. First target on Natty Gas, 587. I still can't get that damn ES bot the hell out of here. There we go. Looks like it's going to go long again. Or try. Come on, you. There we go. Get out of here. Crude still has not taken a trade. Guys, again, the prevailing trade is long on the NASDAQ. It's going to be back and forth, but my bigger time frames are long. Now, the small time frame could pull back 30 handles, but this is really tough to trade this slot. See, here we go. There we go. ES went long on the bot. Target 1 filled on the ES bot. I can't move it again. Target 1 was filled. Target 2 is 9.5. Just letting you know. Target 1 was filled. I can't move the bot. Here goes NASDAQ. Anybody heed my advice and take the long? Anybody heed my advice and take the long? Okay, fellas. Nice job. Okay, Marcia. If we get above 10, we're going to get a massive short rally. Nice job, Isaac. Isaac, I sent you an email, man. Don't forget your invoice is due. Was due. Target 2 hit and filled on ES. I can't move the damn bot. Here we go, guys. How'd you like me now? Take some risk off here at 84. Take some risk off here on NASDAQ if you're trading multiples. Final target, 525. 525. Oh, okay. I remember. I think that's how we did it last time. I recall now. I'll take care of it. 525 to 550 on the NASDAQ. If you're long. If you are not long, do not get in here. FOMO is not a trade. Big trade. Big. Huge. 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 Hey, I know we've got a lot of Republicans in the room, myself included. Any of you guys running right out to buy Trump's new NFT? I have to say this, and I'm going to say it as a New Yorker and a Republican. He is a fucking clown. He is a fucking clown. I'm serious. I'm going to go on record right now and say this. If Trump should win the Republican nomination, I will not vote in the next election. I will not vote. AOC can run. Let her have it. I will not vote for Trump. Telling you. A non-vote is a vote. I agree. Can't vote for that idiot. He's an idiot. I've said for years I don't like him personally. Now he's selling NFTs for $199. God, I hope DeSantis runs. If people get upset, they get upset. Listen, I upset Democrats pretty good. If I'm upsetting Republicans, well, then I must have the right form. He's a clown. He's seriously a clown. Because you have to drop down your account and put it on Apex, Tom. Put it on the Apex account. Go to your drop-down menu where your accounts are. Is the Apex account showing up? Click on it. Click on it. All right, guys. Where can we get to? We're grossly oversold. Let's see here. You know, there's a bunch of mindless fools who are buying that garbage hand over fit. Yeah, that's what I want is an NFT with Trump in a Superman outfit. Give me a break. Seriously. I mean, listen, I didn't vote for Obama. McConnell needs to go for sure. I did not vote for Obama. But non-fungible token NFT. But collector's edition, exactly. I'm gonna run out and get some today because they'll be worth $1 million. But all kidding aside, whether you like Obama or not, is he not presidential? I mean, the guy's articulate, dresses well thought out. Can't we get a Republican like that? Can't we get a Republican like Obama? Seriously, schlocking NFTs. Get out of here. Sorry, guys. I digress. Listen, I'm not speaking to whether he is or is not a narcissist. I have no comment on that. What I'm saying is he's extremely articulate and polished. I'm going to run out and start. Now, I'm going to go sell an NFT of my Bulldogs. All right, enough of that. I'm waiting for ES to get through. Again, Roberto, Robert, I don't want anybody. Nice job. Take some risk off on natural gas, guys. You're up $670. Take some risk off here. Again, what I'm saying is, I'm asking if the Republicans have someone that's articulate like that. I don't care what anybody feels about the guy. I did not vote for him, but you cannot deny that he's an articulate guy, Obama, and polished. All right, we may get a small pullback here, guys, to 52. I love DeSantis. I pray he runs. Short NASDAQ to 52. Yeah, I know. Yeah, Romney was fairly suave. 52 is your target on NASDAQ. 52. Right back to yesterday's close. Come on, 52. Anybody long natural gas? Anybody have a runner on natural gas? If we get through 03, you can take it off at 100 ticks. If we get through 03, your entry was 528. You can target 628 on natural gas if we get through 603. And if it gets to 628, that'd only be a $1,000 runner. That's all. Hey, Don. Back to back is what I smoke. Why? They're made by Davidoff, back to back. I'm waiting for ES guys to pop above 39.10 and hold that level. If ES gets above 39.10, I think there's going to be a pretty good short rally here. If anybody is interested, let's see here. Let me see what the cost is. SPY. Hang on, guys. I'm looking at SPY. SPY 389s for today, if anybody is interested. SPY 389s, they're 73 cents. Now 76. NASDAQ's got to get back up through 76.50. Guys, on your, I can't even get there it's on. On your natural gas, if we get through 03, your target is 28, unless you want to just run the hell out of it, but 100 tick runner. NASDAQ has 1,100 buyers. Support is 52. That was the short target, 52. Along on CL at 74.96. Thank you, Greg. $52 target hit and filled. I'm out of SPY. Small loss. I'm out. Small order filled. There's your 100 tick runner. 100 ticks, fellas, on natural gas. Out. Out. Target hit on NASDAQ. 410 target. 410 target. Next target down. 410. VWAP. Stop should be break even. Nice job, Michael. Daily goal met. Nice job. Unfinished auction on natural gas. I don't know. I'm not looking at order flow on natural gas. If you have one, you have one. NASDAQ failed, ES failed that zone. Will probably pull back to 85, 38.85, 38.85. ES short to 85. ES short to 85. 410 target coming. It hit 12.5. This is a big trade, guys. Don, I'm not sure what is what okay. I if there's something in chat, I missed it. Losing all the buyers here, fellas. Coming back into yesterday's low at 404. ES is short. You're going to get maybe a small bounce at 93. But below that, we're coming 85 on ES. It's short. It's short. ES spot is up 362.50. I would like one more trade. Let's see here, Don. Absolutely not, brother. Absolutely not. I appreciate the sentiment, but absolutely not. I thank you. It means a lot to me, but no, please don't. What you gonna do, NASDAQ? What you gonna do? I appreciate that. I really do, from the bottom of my heart. But absolutely not. Listen, I just do my job. I do my job, guys. My job is to help you guys succeed and make money. I don't need to be, other than, That's what you guys asked me to do. That is all I'm here for. Anybody short ES? Anybody take NASDAQ? Okay. Oh, 39.10. Nice job, Marcia. Broke VWAP. Okay. Patience with it, guys. Patience. It's going to bounce around, but we're back below VWAP on the 5-minute. This should break down back to 85. If we break 85, we're coming 65. Here she blows. Here she blows. Come on, NASDAQ. Blow VWAP and kill yourself. Still 500 buyers in NASDAQ, fellas. ES going to find a small bounce possibly at 89. But should push down to 85 for target 1. Patience. 85 is target 1. Now, if you guys want to, take risk off, go ahead. But it should work down to that bottom support level at 85. If that means you need to walk away, walk away. 85 is target 1. So if you're trading more than 1, take off the bulk of those contracts at 85. Leave something in case we completely capitulate and roll down into the lows, and just below that into that next buy zone at 60 to 65. So we got that small bounce here at 88, 89 as expected. If we break down below 80, if we break down here, we're coming to that 85 pretty quick. It'll be later, Tom. But I'll get to it. Come on, 85. Come on, 85. Got 87, baby. Come on. 86.50. Oh, don't be a stinker. Don't be a stinker. Give me 85. There's 85 quarter. No. 1 tick? Really? Really? Don't be a jerk for $12. Don't be a jerk for $12. Take some risk off. I'm off by a tick. Take the bulk of your contracts off, leave a runner, go to break even. If we break down below here, ES is going to come down to 70, 70. I mean, it's hanging on by a thread. Nice job, Robert. Adios, my friend. Nice job, John. NASDAQ small positive delta. We're below yesterday's low, and I don't see any hope for it. We're below the opening range low, too. It was a very narrow range. We could bounce back up to 410 on the NASDAQ. Is anybody not making money? Remember, it's Friday. We don't go all day here. All right, 85 was hit. You got 85. If you're running any, nice job, Deepak. 85 hit and filled. If you're running them, now you're playing for a complete. You guys want to try SPX puts here. This 85's been way too tested. You can buy 38, 38.65 SPX puts. 38.65 SP 38.60s. Nice job, Tom. 580 on CL. Nice job. Here comes the breakdown, fellas. Modar met his daily goal. See you Monday, my friend. Oh, do 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 do. Should come down. Nasdaq should start working down to 71. If anybody is holding shorts, I mean, guys, this short started. Remember, my first target was 52. This short started around 72. Nice job, Marcia. $1,500 on 2 contracts. You're welcome. Anybody buy SPX puts? She's coming. She's coming. 38.60s, 38.50 SPX puts. It's dinking around this 85, but it's too well tested that I'd be worried about it. Guys, give me was now hit on NASDAQ. If NASDAQ can get work. Nice job, Tom. You took ES puts or you took the ES futures? Your first $1,000 ES runner ever? Nice. It's coming to 65, guys. Becky, you're the only one then that bought puts on the SPX. When ES gets to 65, do you have more than one? Becky, or just one? How many do you have? You have one? Okay. Okay. We're trying to get this sucker down to 65. And then we'll make a decision based on what we see on order flow. But as always, trade them as you see fit. Here we come, baby. Here we come. I have no trades in here, guys, other than Doom. Need ES to drop, or NASDAQ to get below 66, and ES to keep coming. Come on, ES. Drop down. NASDAQ 2. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Hang in there. What'd you pay for him, Becky? What'd you pay for him? If you want to take your risk off in the money, go ahead and take it off. I know you trade a smaller account. I know you trade a smaller account. Take your money. Did you take your money? guys are a little bit on the aggressive side, you can take a NASDAQ long right here, 83. I'm not taking it, but the net negative delta is insignificant. We could push back up to 95 and then 408. If we get a pullback on SPX to 858 to 860, you can load them again. $85, now resistance, right? Yes. How much did you make? No, it's none of my business. Don't worry about it. Arjan is done for the day, up $1,184. Nice job. Guys, I'm going to go through the list real quickly. I know I have at least one trial. Let's see here. The first one would be all right, I got one trial here. You made $480? Nice job, Becky. Nice job. Woohoo! Here comes NASCrack. She dying. I'll give you a crazy target on NASDAQ. 322. 322. That's not that crazy. It's 40 handles. Oh, you're so welcome. That's what I'm here for, fellas. The only reason I'm here. Other than that, you can listen to the guy that yodels. You wouldn't need me. I miss natural gas, but that's all right. We're banging him pretty good today. Becky, when you get a moment, tell me what you paid for the SPX puts. No, I'm not in Nashville. I am in Chattanooga. Chattanooga, choo-choo. And what'd you get out at? Also, if you check your execution tab, what time did you get in the trade? Come on, Deepak. You know I don't miss these things. Once in a while. I miss SPY. I don't miss many. Guys, ES options too. Although interestingly enough, I'm not getting quotes today. I'm doing something wrong. I don't know why the hell I'm not getting. I'm on December 16th. That is, December 16th, right? Why am I not getting quotes? I mean, I'm showing, for instance, today's strikes. Maybe, I don't know, maybe because it's options expiration. I'm showing like 38.70, 38.70 puts. I'm showing 5 by $15. Is that right? That can't be. Yeah, but if I go now, I'm showing nothing. I'll trade Mondays. Let me see what Mondays. I'm fine. Today I got nothing. Makes no sense to me. Yeah, I do trade SPX. Oh, you're showing the same quote, 5 by 15? Okay, so something's goofy. No, I'm looking at expires today. I don't care. I don't know what your question was, Tom. No. No, there is no do I usually do, Tom. There is no do I usually do. No. Here come those SPX puts, baby. Like this morning, I put some trades in. Had a nice winner in crude. Had a nice winner in the ES. I had a couple of small losers in the NASDAQ. I don't always do is what I'm trying to say. I could go days and not do anything. I can tell you I probably will not today because it's Friday, but I may late in the day. I don't know. There is no, just so you know, there is no commitment to be there. Fridays, my goal is to make money and Didi Mao. Natural gas is going to short. Crude is looking like it wants to sell again. ES is going to make it down to, I would buy ES 38.65 puts, but I can't get an accurate quote. I can't get a quote. Okay, Deepak. Yeah, CL shorted. CL rolled. ES is still grinding down towards that 65, guys. There's nowhere for it to go. Okay, crude shorted on the bot. This is the first trade of the day on the bot. First target is at 19 ticks. Crude should work down to 73.83. I don't know if it can get that first target. It'll have to completely break down. Okay. NASDAQ's trying to get a small bid here. I would think you can try NASDAQ long at 66.50 for a scalp. That would be your entry, 66.50. 34 is going blue. All right, Doug. Come on, get out of here. Guys, we have a net negative delta on the NASDAQ of 370 contracts. Nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Next 15-minute bar is in 1 minute and 3 seconds. I think you're just short and stay shorts through the back and forth. If I look at NASDAQ on an hourly, we are shorts and probably headed to the low of the day, which is about 314. And I think we get to 275. Good entry price on MES. You can try a 79. All right, Nolan. Great Friday, done for the day. Another green week. You have a good weekend as well, Nolan. Maybe 79, John? I don't know if it bounces back up, and I'm not selling bottoms. We're holding value area low, but trying to push lower. NASDAQ's dumping. Short again, NASDAQ. NASDAQ's going to come into the low of the day, fellas. I think 14's the low of the day. Your target is 320. New 15-minute bar. A couple of overzealous and anxious buyers showed up. $138 buyers showed up. Remember, guys, I do take losing trades, fellas. If you've made your money, it is Friday. Stand down. I really would like to buy 38.65 ES puts, but I can't get a dang quote on it. SPX, if it hits 38.51, let me look at SPX at third. Let me look at SPX. SPX put today's expiration. $38.30s. Let's say 38.20s. I can't even get quotes on SPX. What is going on? Oh, AM. That's why. 38.30s. 38.30s are 850, but they got to go higher up. They've got to get to 51. I've got to get the retracement. They're not going to bounce. Did we get back to 79, John? I don't think so. 77. SPX is just going to dump, guys, which means the ES is going to puke. Yeah, I can get Mondays too. I can't get anything for today either. Those 880s are now $10. Damn it. Couldn't get a pullback, guys. They were $8.80. Oh, well. Here comes your low of the day, guys. 314 on the NASDAQ. Almost there. 3830s, which were 880. I didn't buy them either, are now 1130. Anybody buy SPX 3830s? Yeah, I didn't do it, Deepak. It's Friday. I don't want to be glued to my computer all day. I should have just bought 10 SPX puts at $8.80 when I looked at them. They're now $11. Would have been a quick scalp. $1,200 in and out. $2,200. I'm sorry. Here comes that 3865. Well, I don't know if it's a better trade. I just don't want to be locked into having to pay attention to my computer. I've got things to do today. But you're up 50% already. What'd you get? $2? 205. Nice trade. 10 contracts, $2,000. You can take $1,000 already off the table. Targeting 3804 for a daily double bottom on ES. Nice job. Stop at 86 for your daily profit of $5,000. Nice job. No hurry here, fellas. I mean, we've got to tag 65. It's a foregone conclusion. And then below that, 60. All right, so there's 65, basically. 65.50. Okay. There it is, 65. Now we trade down to 60. If you guys wanted to try, a long, you could try a bounce off 60, but you're going to need a 10 handle stop. That's the bottom of that zone. It may bounce here at 65. It bounced a point, but NASDAQ got target at 14. It hit 12. So we hit 14. Well over 100 handles, guys, from the original, initial trade. 65 is bouncing the ES currently, so that's tested. Any further tests of 65, you can forget about it. You'd have to drop down to 60. The only long I'd be interested in would be a long back above 85 at this point. Which we could get. Again, it's options expiration, so who the heck knows? I mean, this could be fast and furious today. Getting some small bounces here. Guys, we're 1040. Let's see. Is there anybody that's not made any money today? Is there anybody losing money? Is there anybody that's losing money? You're welcome, Chris. I'm pulling for Montana State, man. Who do they play? South Dakota. I got a good friend of mine that went to North Dakota. He's a huge Bisons fan. North Dakota. What are they? North Dakota Bisons, right? North Dakota State Bisons. Yeah. He lives here. He went to in fact, he traveled to some game in Dallas not too long ago. All right, we've slowed down a little bit here, guys. I'm going to wrap this up for trading. Let me wrap up the week. You're welcome, John. And I will be speaking to you whenever you want to chat. ES spot finished up 362.50. Crude bot was down 670. NASDAQ was up 640. YM was up 600. And natural gas was up 740. So let's see, 1,350 there. 2,000 bucks. And 23, call it 24 minus 7. So about $1,700 net added to the weekly totals again. If anybody has questions, please feel free to email me. Members, if you have anything, email me. Okay, Becky. You're welcome. Guys, have a blessed weekend. Get your Christmas shopping done because we're almost there.